this is day 2. Day at sea. It is Sunday, daylight saving times. So it is day 2 at sea. I'm gonna try to give y'all some footage of, I guess, some of the stuff that's going on today, like the trivia. I'm gonna try to give y'all a glimpse of the show if I'm able to record. But yeah, it is now 6:30 a.m. and so far Elation has been okay. I can't give y'all a rating right now, but I can give you the rating on the food last night. Duck and spaghetti, and also on a scale of 1 to 10 on the food last night, I'm gonna say a 4. Wasn't many things open last night for the food wise. Let's see, some of the events they had last night was pretty cool. They did a lot of Del Mortes, if I'm saying that right. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. But they did a lot of that last night. Of course, you had a lot of the college games going on. Let's see, what else? But the coffee is good. I will say that the coffee is pretty good. I'm about to give me another cup. But yeah, so it's day at sea as of right now. On the TV monitor, it said it was right by Orlando. Like I said, we did come out of Jacksonville, so we are right now on the outskirts of Orlando. I'll give y'all a glimpse. Looking at right now. So this is where we're at right now. We're still out in the ocean. It's pretty calm and chill. So we're gonna give y'all some more footage once everything gets up and going. I think the first trivia is at 9 o'clock. So I'll see if I can bring home a trophy. What else? Then we also, I think she's going to camp. So I'll try to give y'all a little glimpse of that also. But until then, y'all stay tuned. We got more footage coming. There to mama. You see it?
Yeah, and Daddy, we're gonna play the arcade games when I'm at camp.
Alright, y'all, we have the famous piano bar. This is on deck 8, which is what they call the Atlantic. Sorry for the sun glare, but this is your 88 key area on deck 8. It's well Statue of Liberty.
You missed somebody. And then it's me.
And there's a fabulous Michaela on the keys.
Well, let me see what you got, Jack. It's an art.
Don't touch the stuff.
Oh. They got my big one forever.
Let's go to the art gallery.
Art gallery. What?
Yeah, for auction. Some paintings under auction.
Can we buy a picture?
Yeah, see, Daddy got one of his pictures. Gordo.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want that one. Yeah, they have nostalgia cat. This is the one I want. Oh, it's Ducky. No, I don't like guns. So, what that was?
Hold on.
Ask me what? Did you feel that? You know, when I go on that carpet, we are going back to our cabin. I'm about to step on it, and we're going back to our cabins. Cabin died.
Hmm? Come on, Nana.
Daddy, the white is lava, so don't touch the white.
Hmm? Yeah, that's where all your art is.